Union, the Polikarpov PO2. Lysander, much later design, this particular one, but the timing of female pilots and ground crews. Their role was really to harass the Germans on the Eastern Front, and they very quickly between two aircraft. A lovely deep rumble of the Mercury engine up front on the Lysander, and that very peculiar wing in plan form there against the blue sky. Almost prehistoric and insect-like. I know I always say that when the Lysander flies, but there is no better description, I don't think. Rather like a Chris Wren cartoon of the Lysander. It's a carrot. If you look at the fuselage, that's exactly what he looks like. It's a cone running back from the engine. As Mark was saying, most famous for its role as a clandestine taxi, but before that, he was designed to act as an army cooperation aircraft, communicating with forward units of the army, receiving and passing messages, basically by dropping message streamers or picking up backs from the ground with a hook under the fuselage. Sadly, the advent of such fighters as the WWII will pay to that. Experiences of the Battle of France and the Low Countries meant that the Lysander was withdrawn from its frontline original role. It was quickly put into secondary roles, first of all as an air-sea rescue aircraft during the Battle of Britain, carrying dinghy packs under the fuselage and under the stub wings. Also extensively used as a target tug to train gunners, but it was its very short field takeoff performance that enabled it to take off and land in these very small fields, lit only by the light of 3 torches, to deliver agents and equipment to the resistance in France and the Low Countries. And of course, you didn't know until you landed who was holding the torches.
Golf India, if you reach this, taxi to whichever runway you prefer, so in the 7.300 degrees, 07 knots. Roger, B2, is that you calling me? I can hear you now, straight 2.
He's just gone.
Continues this Sunday